Hey, I'm Gaff and Gaff Takes Photos, and today we're in Welwyn Garden City to look for the elusive Mimram waterfall. And it's supposed to be somewhere over there, but we'll find out, so let's go have a look. Starting to be able to hear it now. That's a really good sign, which means it should be just around the corner. There's lots of bluebells here too, so awesome find in this little area. Alright, so we found the waterfall now. It's everything I hoped it was going to be. For the shot we're going to be using a circular polarizer and a variable ND filter to try and smooth the water out and get rid of the reflections to give a nice silky look to the water. So let's get into it. Alright, for this shot here, I'm just doing a wider shot, getting everything in detail from a little bit further away. Settings are ISO 100, f8 and 2.5 seconds. Manually focused as well, so let's see what this does. There we go. I like how that looks, but I reckon there's a better composition over there, so let's go over there. I like how this picture's looking right now, but ideally I'd want to be in the water, and I don't really want to be in the water. But I might actually need to for the shot, so yeah. Never say I don't have commitment.
How's the water?
Alright, this is much more like the composition I wanted. Obviously I've had to get in. Luckily it's fairly clean water, I suppose, but this is the one I wanted, so I'll show you this in a second. Alright, so for this shot I'm going to be focus stacking as well as doing a long exposure. So we'll be getting the rock in the foreground focus stack as well as the waterfall behind. Try and get everything in focus and have a consistent shot. Alright, yeah, so you probably won't be able to hear me here, but we'll try our best anyway. So, as you can see, it's all looking pretty dark on the screen now. I will brighten that up, but obviously trying not to blow the highlights out, as well as getting the focus stack and the long exposure and circular polarizer. I don't really want to bracket the shot for exposure because it's getting a bit much already. So we get what we get with this one. Blowouts, whatever. And there she goes. ISO 100, f8 and 2.5 seconds. I think that looks pretty sweet. So I had to get in the water to get the shot I wanted, but I think it was worth it. Obviously you've seen it now, so you can let me know in the comments what you think of it. yeah, I've had fun. So if you like what you saw, don't forget to hit like, press subscribe, turn it grey, you know, seeing it red, that's just depressing. And I've been Gaff, and Gaff takes photos, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye.